Okay, Lola, let's see if we can get you some help here, okay? All right, number 35. So, if you'll read the problem carefully, it says, jewelers often mix gold with other metals, okay? So a carat is a unit of measure. You've heard that before, right? I mean, 18 karat gold, 15 karat gold, 20 karat gold, okay? So carat is a unit of measure that compares the mass of gold in an object. In other words, here's a big rock, okay? However much, however, whatever part of that rock is gold, they describe that by using carats, okay? And so what it's saying is it compares the mass of the gold with the mass of the object, okay? Now, they do this by expressing a number that is understood to be the numerator. So when they say, listen, Lola, when they say it's 18 karat gold, it's 19 karat gold, it's 20 karat gold, those numbers are the numerators, okay? And the denominator doesn't change. The denominator is 24. So in other words, if you ever have something that's 24 karat gold, if you ever have something that's 24 karat gold, that means the object is pure gold. That's the highest you can have, okay? 24 out of 24. And if we said you have 18 karat, that means 18 over 24. Remember, the denominator is always 24, and the numerator is always your carat, okay? So if it's 18 karat gold, that means 18 over 24, which reduces to 3/4. So that means 3/4 of the rock or the ring or whatever it is, 3/4 of the item is gold. So in this case, 3/4 would be gold and 1/4 would be other metals. Okay, so here we go. With that in mind, here we go. You have a 15 karat gold ring. Okay, and this gold ring has a mass of 200 grams. Now, how much gold is in the ring? Now, Lola, what they mean is this: the total mass is 200 grams, not the mass of the gold. They're saying a 14 karat gold ring has a total mass of 200, so the gold is not 200. The total mass is 200. Got it? Now, Lola, what fraction of this ring is gold? Well, right here. It's 15 karat, remember? So 15 is going to be your numerator, and 24 is always your denominator. So when it says this ring is 15 karat gold, that means that the ring is 15/24 gold. Okay? Now think about that for a second, Lola. Let me go to a different page. If I told you I had $200 and I was going to give you 3/2 of that money, you would simply take 3/2 times, well, 3/2 wouldn't work because that'd be more than 200, but let's say I was going to give you 2/10 of that money. Well, to find out what 2/10 of 200 is, you would multiply and you would get 40. Okay, so 2/10 of 200 is 40, and you get that by multiplying. Okay, so I want to find how much gold is in the ring. In other words, how much of the 200 grams is gold. So, just like here, you take your total and you multiply it by the fraction. It's the same thing. Take your total, which is 200 grams, and multiply it by your fraction. Okay? Now, of course, the 200 goes over 1, and 8 goes into both of these numbers, so your 24 becomes a 3, and your 20 becomes, or your 200 becomes a 25. And now we multiply. 25 times 15 is 375, and 1 times 3 is 3. Now remember, 375 over 3 is the same thing as 375 divided by 3. Okay? So 375 divided by 3 is 125. Okay? Grams. So the total weight of the ring is 200 grams. How much of that is gold? 125. Okay? Now, an 18 karat gold bracelet contains 27 grams of gold. So now here they gave you the carat and they told you the total weight. Not a lot we could do with that when it comes to rates or ratios, but down here we've got a ratio right here. 18 karat gold and the actual grams of gold is 27. So I can make a ratio. 18 karat gold is the same thing as 27 grams. That's what it says. An 18 karat gold bracelet contains 27 grams. So I made a ratio. Now, that's going to equal, I'm asking, what is the mass? Now think about that for a second, Lola. The mass is 24 carats because 24 is, if you have 24 carats, that's the entire bracelet. So 24 carats would be the entire bracelet and X would be the entire grams. So they do go together. Okay? 18 karat goes with 27 grams of gold. They're both gold. The total bracelet is 24 karat over X. Now, cross multiply 18 times X and 27 times 24, and we get that. Divide both sides by 18, and we get 36 grams. Okay? Hope that helps. Email if you have any